Problem is asked in JEE advanced exam. Okay, and our question is let g is any real valued function which going जो real axis to real axis, which going from real axis to real axis. Suppose g be a differentiable. G be a differentiable function with our given condition g at 0 is 0 and derivative of g at 0 is 0, and we have also given that g prime of 1 not equals to 0. Okay, now we have given the condition. This is a problem which is asked in JEE advanced exam, and here given function is g which going from real axis to real axis be a differentiable function. G is a differentiable function with the condition that the value of the function at 0 is 0 and the derivative of the function at 0 is also 0. Okay, but the derivative of g at 1 is other than 0. Okay, now our f is designed as x upon x mod gx when our x is non-zero, and value of this f is 0 when x is 0. Okay, and we have also given h of x equal e to power x mod for every x in R. Another FOH is a composition function which is taken as, okay, and we are asked, there are 4 options. F is differentiable at 0, H is differentiable at 0, composition FOH is differentiable at 0, composition HOF is differentiable at 0. Okay, now first of all we have to see that F is differentiable at 0 and H is differentiable at 0. Okay, since our F is this, now we have to find out that we have to see or investigate the differentiability of f and g. Okay, f, what I am saying, f, differentiability of f. Have you studied in 11th derivative? Okay, apply the first principle of derivative. जैसे हम डेरिवेटिव का फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल अप्लाई करेंगे, लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव हमारा क्या होगा, f prime of 0 equal limit h tend to 0 negative f of minus h minus f of 0 upon minus h. ओके, h कहाँ हमारा जा रहा है 0 की तरफ. ओके, f of x क्या है, x upon x mod gx. ओके, put the value here. लेट मी सिंप्लीफाई f. हमारा f ऑफ x आ जाएगा gx when x is positive, because this x mod becomes x if x is positive, this x mod become negative minus x if x is negative. So the overall minus gx if x is negative and 0 if x is 0. Okay, so substitute here f of minus h, because here minus h is an arbitrary small positive number and minus h is negative number. So this here f of minus h in this okay, so here what should I write, g of minus h है ना. ओके, because f of x is minus gx, here f of x is minus gx. Okay, here x is minus h remain as it is. F of 0, value of the function at 0 is 0, okay, divided by minus h. This is nothing but g of minus h upon h, okay, as limit h tend to 0, limit h tend to 0, okay. Now as h tend to 0, g, value of g at 0 is 0, okay, value of g at 0 is 0, but the derivative, okay, if g 0 upon 0 forms, you can do its derivative g prime of minus h minus upon 1, okay, and as h, limit h tend to 0 negative, this becomes g prime of 0, which is nothing but 0, okay. So our left hand limit is 0. Now a right hand derivative, f prime of 0 equal limit h tend to 0 plus f of h minus f of 0 upon h equal limit h tend to 0 plus value of f of h, f of h, because here f of h lies in this condition, so here it becomes gh minus 0 upon h limit h tend to 0 gh upon h, okay. And g is what? G is a differentiable function. G is a differentiable function. If it becomes 0 upon 0 form, you can apply L'Hopital rule, which gives you g prime of h upon 1, and as h tends to 0, this becomes 0, okay. So f is differentiable, f is differentiable, and right hand derivative and left hand derivative both are same, so f is differentiable. Here we have proved the differentiability of f. Now let us see the differentiability of h at 0. We have asked the differentiability of h at 0, okay. Same procedure as I have done, okay. H prime of 0, limit h tend to 0 negative, left hand derivative, so at negative, so keeping me limit as, and this is our h function h, this is small h, this is our function h, this is our small h, and h of minus h is what? Limit h tend to 0 negative, h of minus h is e to power minus h का mod, okay, minus h of 0, h of 0 is 1 upon minus h, okay. As h tend to 0, this becomes, as h tend to, this is a fixed limit, this is just a fixed limit, okay, minus 1, this is minus 1, because let me remind you about the fixed limit, limit x tend to 0 ex minus 1 upon x equal 1, okay. If I remove here from a to power x, this becomes log whose natural base, okay. So this is the standard formula of the limit which I have used here. So my left hand derivative is minus 1. Now let us find about the right hand derivative, okay. Similarly, our right hand derivative f h prime of 0 equal limit h tend to 0 plus h of h minus h of 0 upon h, okay. This is limit h tend to 0 plus h of h is e to power h, okay, and h mod equal h, because h is always, we have chosen positive, okay. H mod equal h, because why? Because h is always positive, okay, h is positive, so I have taken here minus 1 upon h, and this is 1. यस, लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट डेरिवेटिव क्या था, लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव क्या था -1, बट राइट हैंड डेरिवेटिव क्या है 1, तो क्या हुआ डिफरेंशिएबल, नो। ओके, सो दिस इज द बेसिक थिंग्स यू हैव टू नो अबाउट दिस थिंग्स. Okay, so H fails to be differentiable. Let me first find out FOH. Okay, FOH is nothing f of h of x, which is nothing, and h of x is what, e to power x mod, and this further becomes, because f of input is input upon modulus of input and g of input. So here f of input is input upon input का mod. Okay, f of input equal input upon input का mod multiplying with g function of input. Okay, so here f of input is input का mod. Okay, and g of input, fine. Now let me remind you about that ex whole mod, because this always positive. Okay, this always positive, so this becomes equal. So here g of ex mod. Okay, so our composition FOH is nothing but g of e to power x mod. Now we have to decide about the differentiability of this composition at 0. Now differentiability g of ex mod. Okay, differentiability of this at 0. Our total function is this, g of e की power x mod equal now find out the differentiability of this. For the differentiability of this, let us find out the left hand derivative. Limit h tend to 0 negative, FOH of minus h minus FOH of 0 divided by minus h. And can I replace FOH by g of this or not? Okay, can I do this? Okay, so let me do that. Limit h tend to 0 negative, this becomes g of e की power at minus h का mod h. Okay, so g of h minus e की power g of 1. Okay, divided by minus h. As h tend to 0, this becomes 0 upon, and this is h. Okay, so you may say that 0 upon 0 form. Okay, but its right hand derivative is limit h tend to 0 plus, this becomes g of e h. Okay, minus g of 1 upon h, because both things are different. Okay, means a right hand derivative. Have you judged that a right hand derivative equal minus of left hand derivative? Okay, clear? This becomes that sum of the right hand derivative and left hand derivative equal 0. If f is differentiable, this must becomes 0. Okay, if this becomes 0, then only this is differentiable. Okay, but this is not the possible case. Because why this is not the possible case? So let me left hand derivative equal minus of right hand derivative, sum of the left hand derivative and right hand derivative is 0. Okay, this function is only differentiable when right hand derivative equal 0 equal left hand derivative, only one possibility. Okay, but let us check the value of FOH or value of g का डेरिवेटिव एट ई means g का डेरिवेटिव एट 1. what is the value of g का डेरिवेटिव एट 1? g का डेरिवेटिव एट 1 is always given to be a non-zero. okay, so this function is only differentiable if our left hand derivative and right hand derivative must be 0, but here the value of the function g, derivative of the function g at 1 is non-zero. okay, so that is non-zero, that cannot be differentiable. okay, so given condition has implied that this composition fails to be differentiable at origin, means 0. okay, now let us check the fourth option, 0 when x equal 0. okay, so now let us check HOF, our composition HOF at x, which is nothing but h of fx, which is nothing x upon x mod gx, and the function h is given to be a e to power x mod. okay, so let me made this function as e mod of this whole input x upon x mod g of x ka mod. okay, so this is our h, composition f is nothing but the function, this function. okay, now let us find out the differentiability of this function at 0. okay, so let us find first left hand derivative. left hand derivative is limit h tend to 0 negative. okay, 0 negative, and this is what e to power. clearly let me tell you one thing, that if x is negative, this becomes minus x, this becomes x. okay, minus 1, the whole quantity x upon x mod g of x. okay, this becomes g of x minus g of x. okay, if x is positive, then this value becomes gx. if x is negative, this becomes minus gx. okay, clear? but here is modulus, taking modulus, this both becomes same. okay, so this value is nothing e to power gx, e to power gx ka mod. okay, so e to power g of minus h ka mod minus e to power g of 0. g of 0 is already given to be a 0. okay, so e to power 0 is nothing but 1 upon minus h. okay, this is our left hand derivative. now right hand derivative RHD, limit h tend to 0 plus e to power mod of g of h. okay, minus 1 upon h. does these two things are same? because g as h tends to 0, this is modulus quantity g of minus h mod is both this in things are same, or both things are same or not. okay, as h tend to 0, both are same because this is continuous as well, so this must be differentiable. okay, so this limit is differentiable. the another thing, that because left hand derivative and right hand derivative has same value, so this composition is differentiable. let x का this is GIF, greatest integer function. okay, and our given f of x is x cos of pi of x plus x का greatest integer. okay, our this function, and we have to check about the continuity of this function. okay, continuity of this function at each means we have given the integers x equal 0 1 2 and minus 1. okay, we have to check about the continuity of these four integers. okay, in a state of checking the continuity of this four integer on this function, Let us check the continuity on the complete integral domain, means complete integers. Okay, let a be any integer. Let me here a be any integer. Let a be any integer. Okay, any arbitrary integer. You can choose a from complete z. Okay, e can be -1, -2, e can be natural number as well. Okay, so a can be any natural number. Clear? If a be any integer, clear. Let me aware you about the properties of the greatest integer function. I hope you know about all this as JEE Mains qualified. So you know about all this, about the properties of the GIF. Okay, as limit h tend to, I hope you know about all this. Okay, so let a be any integer. So for the continuity, limit h tend to 0 negative, this equals limit. I hope you know, you are understanding this thing. Okay, are you understanding this thing or not? Why I am writing directly here a minus h in the neighborhood form directly? Because okay, h tend to 0 negative, and f of a minus h is nothing but this is f of input is input cos of pi time a minus h plus a minus h का greatest integer. Okay, this is limit h tend to 0 negative a minus h cos of pi of a minus h plus a minus h is what? A minus 1. Okay, a minus h का greatest integer is nothing, a minus 1. Okay, so can I write here like this? So this becomes 2a minus 1. Okay, limit h tend to 0 negative. Okay, limit h tend to 0 negative a minus h, and this becomes your cos of pi, and this is your 2a minus 1 minus h. Okay, so as h tends to 0, this quantity goes to a time cos of 2a minus 1 time pi, means odd multiple of pi, means cos pi, 3 pi, 5 pi. Okay, the value of that is -1, so overall value of this is nothing, minus a. Okay, so value of left hand limit is minus a, LHL is minus a. Okay, now we have to find out RHL. LHL is minus a. Now let us find out RHL. Limit h tend to 0 plus f of a plus h, f of a plus. Okay, limit h tend to 0 plus f of a plus h is what? A plus h, and cos of pi time of a plus h प्लस ए प्लस एच का ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर. ओके, एज जैसे ए माइनस एच का ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर क्या होगा? ए माइनस 1, तो ए प्लस एच का ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर होगा ए. ओके, सो हेयर दिस बिकम्स लिमिट एच टेंड टू 0 प्लस ए प्लस एच कॉस ऑफ पाई ऑफ 2a प्लस एच. ओके, एज जैसे h 0 को टेंड करेगा, दिस क्वांटिटी टेंड्स टू a cos of 2a pi, and here angle of cos is even multiple of pi. Okay, why? Because a is integer, a is an integer, so multiplication of integer with 2 is becomes even integer. Okay, so angle of cos is pi multiple of even integer, so value at cos angle is even multiple of integer, even integer, so this becomes
a. okay, why? because the value of cos की जो हमारी वैल्यू होगी इवन मल्टीपल ऑफ पाई. ओके, ए हमारा क्या है? इंटीजर. तो किसी इंटीजर को आप 2 से मल्टीपल करोगे डेट बिकम्स एन इवन इंटीजर. ओके, मीन्स कॉस का एंगल क्या है? पाई मल्टीपल ऑफ इवन इंटीजर. तो वैल्यू ऑफ कॉस एट दिस पर्टिकुलर एंगल इज ऑलवेज 1. सो वैल्यू ऑफ अवर राइट हैंड लिमिट इज a. okay, so RHL is what? A. RHL is A. okay, so LHL and RHL are not same. If LHL and RHL are not same, so F is not continuous at any integer. Okay, whatever integer you chose, okay, this function is always discontinuous. Okay, so this function is always discontinuous for every integer in the real axis. Whichever integer one may choose, this found to be a discontinuous. Okay, because the discontinuity of this function is observed corresponding to each integer. We have chosen a is an arbitrary integer, and our observation is what? That this given f is discontinuous at a implies that this f is discontinuous for every integer placed on the real axis.
So all options are correct. We have to only find out the discontinuous point. Okay, the given all 4 options are correct because all are the points of the discontinuity of this given function. Let f of x equals to sine pi upon 6, sine of pi upon 6, sine of pi upon 2, sine x. Okay, for all x belong R and our gx is pi by 2 multiple of sine x. Okay, for each real number, and we have to decide about the compositions GOF of x. Which of the following is are true or false? Okay, the given options are range of f. Range of f is minus half का closed interval, and a range of composition FOG. Composition FOG is minus half to half. Okay, our third option is, this is first option, this is second option, and now let us write the third option. Limit extend to 0, limit extend to 0 f of x upon g of x. Okay, equal pi by 6. Okay, now fourth option is, there is an x in the real line such that GOF of x equal 1. Okay, now let us find out should be our first step to attack on this particular problem. Okay, this is our first we have to find out the range of f. Okay, so let us find out the range of f. This is simple. Your sin x is always lies between -1 and 1. Okay, multiplying of pi by 2 with both side will not affect at all on the inequalities. Okay, this becomes negative of pi by 2, this becomes positive of pi by 2. Again apply sign. Okay, because from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, this is our the graph of sine function, and this is our minus pi by 2. Here is our pi by 2. Okay, and at pi by 2 sine is 1. Okay, and at minus pi by 2 sine is -1, means sine is an increasing function. Sine is इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन, साइन इज मोनोटोन फंक्शन. अगर कोई फंक्शन मोनोटोन हो, साइन इज एन मोनोटोनिकली इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन फ्रॉम -π/2 to π/2. Okay, so from here inequality remains same by applying sine on this particular interval. Okay, so sine of -π/2 less than or equal to sine of this whole condition sine of pi by 2. Okay, and sine of minus pi by 2 is what? Minus sine pi by 2. This is sine pi by 2 sin x. हम ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज हमें ये फंक्शन चाहिए. ओके, तो उसकी हम शेप बना रहे हैं, वो गिवन शेप हमें चाहिए. ओके, एंड दिस इज अवर 1, दिस इज अवर -1. ओके, सो इतना हमारा बन चुका है. साइन ऑफ π/2 sin x. ओके, नाउ मल्टीप्लाइंग π/6 बोथ साइड विल नॉट अफेक्ट बिकॉज दिस इज ए पॉजिटिव नंबर. π/6 इज पॉजिटिव नंबर, सो अप्लाइंग multiplying will not change the inequalities. Okay, so this becomes π/6. Now apply sine again, and sine is from -π/6 to π/6. Here is π/2, this is our -π/2. so let me -π/6 and π/6 is a subset of this is subset of -π/2. here sine is increasing, so here must be increasing monotonically. okay, इस इंटरवल में साइन मोनोटोनिकली इंक्रीजिंग है, तो इस इंटरवल में भी पक्का मोनोटोनिकली इंक्रीज होगा, क्योंकि -π/6 to π/6 इज ए सबसेट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर इंटरवल. ओके, सो अप्लाइंग साइन माइनस ऑफ साइन, and here is also sine. Here is also sine. Okay, and sine minus this becomes minus sine of π/6 less than or this complete our given function. Okay, fx, and this becomes sin π/6, and sin π/6 is what? Half, and sin π/6 is half. Okay, so the range set from -half to half. Clear? So option 1 is correct. Now let us see the option range of FOG. Okay, a range of composition FOG. Okay, a range and gx is π/2 sin x, and f of x is sine of π/6 sine pi by 2 sin x instead of f of x. Okay, instead of this x I have to write pi by 2 sin x. Okay, now we have to find out the range of this set. Similarly, this is also similar, complete similar as we have done this. Okay, means sin x lies between 1 and minus 1 as you multiply pi by 2 both side. Okay, again sin, again multiplying sin, then this becomes sin of minus pi by 2 less than or equal to sin of pi by 2 sin x less than or equal to sin pi by 2. Okay, and this becomes minus 1, this becomes same function, so this is minus 1 here and here is 1. Okay, again we have to make the shape of this function. Okay, applying multiplying pi by 2, because pi by 2 is a positive number, so will not affect on the inequality. Now again we have need sine, so this becomes minus 1 sine of pi by 2, again sine of pi by 2 sin x. Okay, pi by 6 is also, and here applying the sin pi by 2 is 1. Now we have to multiply pi by 6 both side, so here is pi by 6, this also becomes pi by 6, this also becomes pi by 6. Now मल्टीप्लाइंग साइन. ओके, जैसे मैं इस पर साइन अप्लाई करूंगा तो ये क्या आ जाएगा मेरे पास, कंपोजिशन FOG ऑफ x. ओके, तो ये साइन ऑफ माइनस पाई बाई 6 क्या होगा, माइनस हाफ, तो ये क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास हाफ, बिकॉज साइन पाई बाई 6 हाफ. तो इसकी रेंज क्या है, सेम. सो ऑप्शन सेकंड इज आल्सो ट्रू. Option third is nothing but the general tendency point. Limit extend to 0 f of x upon g of x. Okay, as x tend to 0, f tend to sin 0 0, and this sin 0 becomes 0 sin 0 0, f tends to 0, and as x tend to 0, जैसे x टेंड करेगा g 0 को, f भी 0 को टेंड करेगा और g भी 0 को टेंड करेगा, मीन्स 0 upon 0 फॉर्म. ओके, दिस जस्ट बिकम्स indeterminate form. Okay, to overcome the indeterminate form we have to differentiate both functions separately. Separate differentiation of f means f prime of x upon g, derivative of f at x and derivative of g at x as x tend to 0. Okay, this is derivative of f. Derivative of f is sine of pi upon 6 sine, means this becomes cos, cos of pi by 6 sine of pi by 2 sine x. Okay, and here differentiability of angle is pi upon 6 and cos pi by 2 sine of x. Okay, again the differentiability of the angle of the cos is pi by 2 cos x, pi by 2 cos x. Okay, and the differentiability of x is what, 1. Okay, upon g of x. Okay, which is nothing but cos x. As x tend to 0, this tends to pi by 2, because as x tend to 0 cos tend to 1 and this is pi by 2. This denominator tends to half of the pi and the about numerator, okay, as x tend to 0, this becomes 0 and this becomes 1, okay, pi by 6, and here is 1 and pi by 12, okay, and this is pi by 2, means overall pi upon 12 and pi by 2, which is 1 by 6, okay. So this is pi square, sorry, and pi by 6, okay. So our limit is pi by 6. Third option is also going to be true. All first three options are true. Now this is MCQ problem, okay, this is MCQ problem. Now let us see the option number 4th. ऑप्शन नंबर 4th सेज दैट कि ऐसा कोई x है रियल लाइन में, ऐसा कोई x है रियल लाइन में कि हमारी कंपोजिशन g ऑफ क्या बन जाए 1. आपके पास ऐसा कोई रियल नंबर है रियल एक्सिस में कि जिसको कंपोजिशन में पुट करने से हमारा रेंज में पॉइंट कौन सा आ जाए 1. तो क्या आप रियल नंबर को क्या पुट करेंगे f में, f में आप रियल नंबर को क्या पुट कर सकते हो, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ये क्या आ सकता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल g, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी कंस्ट्रक्ट दिस कंपोजिशन, ओके, g ऑफ fx f ऑफ x क्या है मेरे पास, साइन ऑफ पाई बाई 6 साइन ऑफ पाई बाई 2 साइन एक्स, ओके, एंड जी एक्स क्या मेरे पास पाई बाई 2 एंड दिस साइन पाई बाई एक्स साइन पाई बाई 2 साइन एक्स, ओके. सो what should I put x such that this becomes 1? This cannot becomes 1 because यहाँ तक तो 1 बन जाएगा. जैसे पाई बाई 6 आ जाएगा, पाई बाई 6 के साथ हम इसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दिस बिकम्स माइनस पाई बाई 6, दिस बिकम्स माइनस हाफ, मीन्स माइनस पाई बाई 2 एंड पाई बाई 2. दिस कैन नॉट बिकम्स 1. ये कभी भी 1 नहीं बन सकता. इसमें आप कोई ऐसा x नहीं ला सकते कि ये 1 बन जाए. There doesn't exist x in the real line such that this composition GOF at any x is 1 cannot possible because of this pi by 6. अगर यहाँ pi by 6 को हम रिप्लेस कर दें pi by 2 से, then that can be possible, okay. So only option 4 is incorrect. Other than 4th option, all options are going to be correct.